Uh-oh. Another. Now just go straight down. No, I'll show you. So, this. It starts from there. Oh, you missed one. Oh, you missed one.
That's okay.
No, do it. And you missed another one.
What?
Can you see? Now do you think you can do the rest by yourself?
Mm.
Keep going until you run out of space. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you. KK, watch. KK, watch. Watch.
I already know.
Yeah, but you have to do a whole line. Now. Watch. 2. Dad, do the last one for me.
搬埋啲。
2. Yay! Oh, there's one more. Looks a bit like a 1. Okay, I'll show you how to do 3. If you do it this way, you can do it as a W. Look. It's like this.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Go do it. Do your freeze. And then you're going to play the ball. And then call me when you're up to number 4, okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry about me. Now let's see the real number today.
Do it like it 10 times.
Huh?
Do it 10 times like